Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing frames. Pick a convenient inertial frame and a moving frame attached to one object, and label axes. Once done, write every object's velocity with direction in units, using positive/negative signs for axis orientation. Make sure to distinguish instantaneous velocity versus average over time, because that affects vector subtraction. Use clear symbols like VA and VB and include any angular offsets. These definitions set the whole problem and prevent sign errors. You now form the relative velocity. VREL equals the target object's velocity minus the reference frame's velocity, and then resolve into components. Once done, compute Vx and Vy using cos and sin with the given angle, keeping your sign convention consistent across both vectors. Make sure to convert degrees to radians for calculus or to keep trigonometric functions correct. If speeds change with time, take derivatives, dx/dt and die/dt. Then evaluate at the instant you care about to get. You finish by computing the heading with arctan2, Vy, Vx, so the quadrant is correct. Then express the angle relative to your chosen axis. Once done, convert that angle into degrees or radians as required and state whether it points toward or away from the reference. Make sure to sanity check. Flip signs if the vector points opposite, verify you subtracted the correct frame, and watch for angle wrapping by 180 degrees. This single check resolves most mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.